Hey guys, Mandy here with an activity that you can do to show how important it is to wash your hands and stay healthy over the holidays or just in general. For this activity, all you need is a bowl, pepper, and some dish soap. And for this activity, what you will do is place water in the bowl and sprinkle pepper all over it, and these are going to be your germs. And then you can either use a dropper or you can use your finger. Put it in the dish soap and stick it into the bowl. What you'll see is the germs or the pepper will move away from the dish soap, just like we want them to do when they wash their hands. We want them to wash the germs away. And this is a great visual demonstration of staying healthy. So let me demonstrate that for you right now. Again, that's just a fun visual way to show how important it is to wash your hands. I hope you enjoyed that activity. Let me know how you used it in your classroom and how well it worked. And let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.